Yeah,
Yes.
that's great.
Choice.
See, I'm wondering if he like did that and thought it would be punched out or like wouldn't be added. Like he was just dicking around in the vocal booth,
And they're like,
and they were just like,
cool.
"Yeah, let's keep it."
Yeah.
I could totally see that.
That's how
happening.
magic happens.
It's true. But you don't have the master of punching in, or who is that we were talking about?
Dana Strum.
Yeah, fuck him. If you don't have a dick like that hanging around, you leave stuff in that shouldn't be punched out.
He's a very blues-influenced bass player.
Yeah, he sure is. He's a blues-influenced musician.
Then you could stick a pen right in there.
Well,
Speaking of which,
you could
look
yell,
at this
"Oh, Pelican
thing
grief."
over here on top of the speaker. That's a fucking...
Chris found Andy's sounding
That's a
tools.
sounding...
That is.
Fucking implement if I've ever seen
It's like
one.
a
See
pocket
that fucking,
screwdriver.
The pocket clip, that should catch on your fucking glands and keep your dick from swallowing a pen whole up in your body, right?
Yeah.
I think that's actually the
Describe.
sound you make when your dick sucks a pen up in your body. Achitcha! Achitcha!
It is making
Mystery solved.
There you go.
This is a song about sounding.